How to write a high-converting sales page using Mindvalley as an example. If you've ever stared at a blank screen trying to write a sales page, wondering why your words don't pop the way top brands do, today's video is going to change everything. Because I'm going to walk you step by step through how to write a high-converting sales page. And we're going to use Mindvalley as our example. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to structure your page, what to say, and how to make your audience feel like your offer is the obvious next step in their life. Section 1. Start with a big promise. Every great sales page starts with a transformation. Not features, not bullet points, a promise. Mindvalley does this brilliantly. Their entire brand is built around one idea: unlock your extraordinary life. It's big, it's emotional, it's aspirational. So when you write your sales page, ask yourself, what is the ultimate transformation my audience wants? Write that at the top. Make it bold. Make it exciting. Make it something they feel. Section 2, paint the problem without being negative. Next, you want to show your audience that you understand where they are right now. Mindvalley doesn't shame people. They simply highlight a universal truth. Most people feel like they're capable of more clarity, more purpose, more joy. So instead of saying your life is a mess, you say something like, if you've ever felt like you're meant for more, you're in the right place. See the difference? It's empathetic, it's empowering, and it builds trust. Section 3. Introduce the solution. Now that you've connected with your audience, it's time to introduce your offer. Mindvalley positions itself not as a product, but as a pathway to transformation. So instead of saying, here's my course, you say, here's the system that will help you become the strongest, wisest, most fulfilled version of yourself. People don't buy products. They buy outcomes. Section 4. Show why it works. This is where you explain your method, your process, or your unique approach. Mindvalley does this by highlighting world-class teachers, science-backed learning, a global community, micro-learning that fits your life. Notice how each point answers the question, why should I believe this will work for me? When you write your sales page, list the reasons your solution is effective and make each one meaningful. Section 5. Paint the future. Future pacing. This is one of the most powerful parts of any sales page. You want your audience to see themselves transformed. Mindvalley does this by describing what life looks like when you upgrade your mind, your health, your relationships, your career. You can do the same. Use phrases like, imagine waking up feeling. Picture yourself finally. What would it feel like to? This activates the emotional brain, the part that actually makes buying decisions. Section 6. Break down what they get. Now it's time to get practical. Mindvalley lists everything included. Access to all programs, daily lessons, live workshops, community, tools and meditations. This is where you show the value. Make it clear. Make it structured. Make it feel like a lot. Section 7, Call to Action. Finally, you end with a clear, confident invitation. Mindvalley often uses lines like, are you ready to become the most extraordinary version of yourself? Your call to action should feel like the natural next step in their journey. Not pushy, not desperate, just aligned. And that's how you write a high-converting sales page, using Mindvalley as the perfect example of emotional storytelling, transformation-based messaging, and powerful positioning. If you want me to break down more sales pages, or if you want a template you can copy and paste, let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's building their business. Thanks for watching. Now go write something extraordinary.